Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In the previous episode, I showed you how you can create through Microsoft List. When you choose a template, you will get in some of the templates automatically offered some automation to send a mail when you have certain days before it arrives. So this was for one date. Now I found out that in other templates, for instance, content scheduler, you see we have two dates. We have the draft due date and we have the published due date. And I wanted to see how it looks like. So actually I created and I'll make it in my list. It can be also in the Sharepoint list. And this is what I see. By the way, it's showing two mails for two columns. So the draft due date and the published will be sent. So either I can say I don't want to do it now, and then I can later on click on this and click next. Now we just need to wait. So it's verifying the connections. And now I can close. I'll pause it until it ends, and then I'll show you how it looks in the Power Automate. Okay, it took like 1 minute. I see that both have been created, the scheduler. So, and I see it's completed. So now everything is working. Now, just to show you how it looks in the flow, so I'll click in Integrate, Power Automate, and see all flows. Now, I wonder if it will create two separate flows or it will create one for both. So I'll just go here and I will. So I see here actually I'll edit the last one here that was created. And let's look what we can see. So the name is draft by and published. And we can now look at the flow once it will load. So actually you see we can define how often it will be. Once a day, we can change that. And we can say for how many days in advance do we want a mail. So we could say 50 days before the dates, it will work. Now what we see here is actually we have split to two conditions at the same time. So on one hand, we'll have the draft item that will run a whole flow, and also for the other publishing due date. So we have one flow that was created for both, and it's doing all of the things where in some templates it only runs one thing that sends a reminder. So to make it short, from the templates I could find, if I click new, so I noticed that the recruiter tracker creates two reminders. The work progress tracker creates one, and the content scheduler creates also two. So check it out and let me know what you think. Goodbye.